In this video, I will show you how to efficiently move around your Excel file, as well as how to sort with a quick keyboard command. So in this instance, I have a bunch of store locations, and if I scrolled all the way to the bottom of the list, this would take forever. So another option I can use is to use this right bar, but still this takes a bit of time and is a little bit unwieldy, but we can see that I have 3,862 locations. So for the fastest way to move around your file, first we want to click within our table anywhere, and we can hold Control and then click the arrow in the direction we're trying to travel. So in this case, I will hit Control down, and that allows me to jump to the bottom of the list. If I hold Control and hit the left arrow, it'll jump left, and if I hit Control and the up arrow, it'll jump to the top. And this is great because it can allow us to get anywhere in our file very, very quickly. One consideration to make, though, is let's say your locations are not completely full and there's some blank spaces. If we try and use Control down now, it's only going to jump to the bottom of the list up until the first blank row. And if we do Control down again, it'll jump to the next one. So when using this, just be cautious if there are blanks in your data. One thing I like to do is I like to look at the bar over in the left-hand side. If it's still at the top, I know I'm not at the top of the list. But if I keep hitting Control down, I'll eventually get to the bottom of the list as I'm intending. Something else you can do is if you hold Control and you hit the Home button, this actually will jump you to the top left of your table. And if you hit Control End, this will take you to the bottom right. And so those are all the ways that I use to jump around my data file quite efficiently. Another quick keyboard command that I like to use is sorting my file. So let's say I want to sort the year opened column. First, I need to click anywhere within this column, and I can hit Alt, and we'll notice that up here we see these boxes appear, and I want to essentially choose the letter that will take me to this sorting option. So we know that this will be in the Data tab, which is going to be A. We want to sort, so these all start with S, so we're going to type S. And now do we want to sort ascending, descending, or do a special sort? In this case, I want to do ascending, so I'll type an A. And now we can see that we've sorted on the year opened. If I want to sort on my location but descending, I'll do the same actions. I'll hit Alt, A, S, but now I want to hit D. And now that is sorted descending. And this is a great way to sort your data. One consideration to make with this is sometimes the header row is not recognized by Excel, and that will get sorted with the data. So just be cautious of that. If you use the Alt-ASA or Alt-ASD method, your header may or may not get sorted into the rest of your data. And those are two quick ways to sort your data and jump around your data.